You are wasting my time.
Sorry, I'll try to be quicker.
I hate you.
Why? What did I do?
I can't believe it.
Believe me, it's true.
I'm at the office.
Oh, are you working late?
I'm on a diet.
Good for you, I should try that too.
I can't believe it.
Yeah, it's surprising.
Don't move.
Why? What's wrong?
I am tired.
You should take a rest then.
Where are you?
I'm at home. What about you?
Just shut up for a minute.
Okay, I'll be quiet.
I cannot agree with your opinions.
That's okay, everyone has different views.
Let's do it.
Sure, I'm ready.
I apologize for being late.
That's okay, no worries.
I am busy at the moment.
No problem, we can talk later.
Can I ask you something?
Of course, go ahead.
Forgive me.
I forgive you, don't worry about it.
They like each other.
Yeah, it seems like they do.
Are you coming?
Yes, I'll be there soon.
You're driving too fast.
Sorry, I'll slow down.
Call me any day.
I will, thank you.
Can you please repeat that?
Sure, I said we should meet at 5.
Not yet.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand perfectly.
Enjoy yourself.
I'll try to have a good time, thanks.
I have to leave early today.
Okay, see you later then.
I don't agree.
That's okay, everyone has their own opinion.
Please come as soon as possible.
Sure, I'll be there right away.
Do you need anything?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Where are you going?
I'm heading to the store, want to come along?
I hope you understand.
Yes, I understand completely.
How can I go to the city?
You can take the bus or train.
I'm good at my work.
That's great to hear, keep it up.
Are you coming with me?
Yes, I'll join you.
Forget it.
Okay, let's move on.
I just made it.
Wow, that's impressive.
Where did you get it?
I found it at the store.
Be careful.
Okay, I'll watch out.
I can't wait any longer.
Let's hurry up then.
Anything else?
No, I think that's it. Thanks.
Be quiet.
Sorry, I'll keep it down.
I don't have time.
That's okay. Maybe later then.
Are you kidding?
No, I'm serious.
No, I don't want it.
Okay, no problem.
Talk to you tomorrow.
Okay, see you then.
It really takes time.
Yeah, it's a long process.
Stop making so much noise.
Sorry, I'll be quieter.
Not yet.
Okay, let me know when.
What are you up to?
Just hanging out. What about you?
It's okay for him, isn't it?
Yeah, I think he's fine with it.
Slow down your car.
Okay, I'll reduce my speed.
Come with me.
Sure, where are we going?
Do you know what I mean?
I think so, but could you explain a bit more?
Don't worry.
Thanks, I'll try not to.
Did you get it?
Yes, I understand now, thank you.
Have a good trip.
Thanks, I'll have a safe journey.
What do you need?
I need some help with this, please.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine, thanks for asking.
It's up to you.
Alright, I'll decide then.
Do you want to join me?
Yes, I'd love to.
Is all good?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Do me a favor.
Sure, what do you need?
Don't be ridiculous.
Sorry, I was just joking.
I knew it.
Yeah, I had a feeling too.
What is going on?
I'm not sure, let's find out.
I have no idea.
Me neither, let's figure it out together.
It's very thoughtful of you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, let's move on.
How was your weekend?
It was great, thanks for asking. How about yours?
How long will you stay?
I'll stay for a few days.
Why are you so quiet?
Just thinking about something.
Have a good time.
Thanks, you too.
What do you think?
I'm not sure, let me think about it.
Be calm.
Okay, I'll try to stay calm.
A lovely day, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful outside.
I can't wait any longer.
It won't be much longer. I promise.
God bless you.
Thank you, that's very kind.
Don't be so childish.
Sorry, I'll try to act more maturely.
When is the train leaving?
The train leaves at 3 p.m.
Call me back.
Will do, thanks.
Allow me to introduce myself.
Nice to meet you, I'm Alex.
Cheer up.
I'll try, thanks for cheering me up.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm certain.
I'm sorry, I can't assist you.
That's okay, thanks anyway.
What are you talking about?
We're discussing our plans for the weekend.
Follow me.
All right, I'll come with you.
I feel much better.
That's great to hear. Glad you're feeling better.
What are you doing?
I'm just watching TV. What about you?
It's none of your business.
Sorry, I was just curious.
Let's catch up.
Yeah, it's been a while.
I knew it.
You're very observant.
Where did you learn to speak English?
I learned in school and practiced with friends.
What time is the meeting?
It starts at 10 a.m.
Do you want anything from the store?
Yes, could you grab some milk, please?
I'm feeling sad.
What's causing you to feel sad?
I'm feeling hungry.
You should eat something to satisfy your hunger.
I'm really proud of you.
Thank you, your support means everything to me.
Can you believe it?
No, it's hard to believe.
See you next time.
Bye. Take care.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!